Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Donna, and today we are going to talk about my favorite movies.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Donna, how are you today?
I am very good, thank you. How about you?
I am doing well too. It is a nice day.
Yes, it is a beautiful day.
Donna, do you like movies?
Yes, I do. I love watching movies.
Me too. Movies are fun and interesting.
I agree. They can make us laugh, cry, and learn new things.
That is true. How often do you watch movies?
I usually watch a movie on the weekend.
Nice. Do you watch movies at home or at the cinema?
Mostly at home.
Why do you prefer watching movies at home?
Because it's comfortable and convenient.
That sounds nice.
Yes, I can sit on my sofa and enjoy snacks.
Snacks make movies even better.
They really do.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies.
Oh, really?
Yes, I enjoy laughing.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
I like adventure movies.
Wow, adventure movies are exciting.
Yes, they usually have interesting stories.
Do you like action movies too?
Sometimes.
What do you like about action movies?
I like the exciting scenes.
That makes sense.
Do you like animated movies?
Yes, animated movies are colorful and fun.
I enjoy them too.
Many animated movies have good messages.
I agree.
Do you have a favorite movie?
Yes, I do.
What is it?
My favorite movie is an adventure movie about a young explorer.
That sounds interesting.
I like the characters and the story.
Good characters make a movie memorable.
Exactly.
My favorite movie is a comedy
Why do you like it?
because it always makes me smile.
That is wonderful.
I can watch it many times.
Really?
Yes, I never get tired of it.
That is the sign of a great movie.
I think so too.
Do you watch movies alone?
Sometimes.
Do you also watch movies with friends?
Yes, often.
Is it more fun with friends?
Definitely.
Why?
Because we can laugh and talk about the movie together.
That sounds enjoyable.
It is.
Do your friends like the same movies as you?
Not always.
What happens then?
We choose a movie that everyone likes.
That is a good idea.
Yes, it keeps everyone happy.
Do you read movie reviews?
Sometimes.
Why?
They help me decide what to watch.
I do that too.
Reviews can be helpful.
Have you ever watched a bad movie?
Of course.
What made it bad?
The story was boring.
That can happen.
Yes, not every movie is great.
That is true.
Have you ever stopped watching a movie?
Yes, once or twice.
Why?
Because I was not interested in the story.
I understand.
A good story is very important.
I agree completely.
Do you like movies based on books?
Yes, they can be very interesting.
Sometimes I read the book first.
Me too.
Then I compare the movie and the book.
That's fun.
Which is usually better?
For me, the book is often better.
Really?
Yes, books usually have more details.
That makes sense.
But some movies are excellent too.
I agree.
Movies and books can both be enjoyable.
Absolutely.
Do you watch movies in English?
Yes, I do.
Is it helpful for learning English?
Very helpful.
Why?
Because I hear real English conversations.
That is a great way to learn.
I also learn new vocabulary.
Me too.
Sometimes I write down new words.
That's a good habit.
Thank you.
Do you use subtitles?
Yes, I do.
English subtitles?
Yes,
That helps with listening and reading.
exactly.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for supporting the channel.
We really appreciate it.
Donna, let's talk about movie vocabulary.
Great idea.
What is a character?
A character is a person in a movie.
Good explanation.
Thank you.
What is a scene?
A scene is one part of a movie.
Excellent.
Here is an example.
Go ahead.
The beach scene was beautiful.
Very good example.
Thank you.
What does actor mean?
An actor is a man who performs in a movie.
And an actress?
An actress is a woman who performs in a movie.
Wonderful.
These are useful words.
Yes, many people use them.
Let's learn another word.
Which word?
Director.
What is a director?
A director helps create the movie and guides the actors.
Great explanation.
Thank you.
Let's talk about grammar.
Sounds good.
We often use the verb watch.
Yes.
For example, I watch movies every weekend.
Another example is we watch movies together.
Excellent.
Watch is a regular verb. Right. The past form is watched.
Example?
I watched a movie yesterday.
Very good.
Thank you.
Let's look at an irregular verb.
Good idea.
The verb see.
The past form is saw.
Example?
I saw a great movie last night.
Perfect.
Many learners should remember this.
Yes, see becomes saw.
Not seed.
Correct.
English has many irregular verbs.
That is true.
Practice helps a lot.
Let's talk about pronunciation.
Great.
The word movie has 2 syllables.
Movie.
Very good.
Repeat after us.
Movie.
Movie.
Excellent.
Another useful word is actor.
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 Good job, everyone.
Keep practicing.
Donna, what do movies teach us?
They can teach us about people and cultures.
That is true.
They can also inspire us.
I like that.
Some movies teach important lessons.
Such as kindness and courage.
Exactly.
Have you ever cried during a movie?
Yes, I have.
Really?
Some movies are very emotional.
I understand.
Have you cried during a movie?
Yes, once.
Which type of movie?
A family movie.
Family stories can be touching.
They certainly can.
What about scary movies?
I do not watch many scary movies.
Me neither.
They make me nervous.
I feel the same way.
Comedy movies are easier for me.
They are relaxing.
Yes.
What about you, listeners? What is your favorite movie?
What is your favorite movie?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read your answers.
Maybe we will discover a new movie.
That would be great.
Do you prefer old movies or new movies?
I like both.
Me too.
Old movies can be classics.
New movies can have amazing technology.
Both have something special.
I agree.
Have you ever watched a movie many times?
Yes,
How many times?
maybe 10 times?
Wow,
I really love that movie.
that sounds interesting.
What about you?
I watched my favorite movie 5 times.
That is a lot too.
Yes,
A great movie is always enjoyable.
absolutely.
Movies can bring people together.
Friends and families can enjoy them together.
That is one reason movies are popular.
I agree completely.
Before we finish, let's review a few words.
Good idea.
Movie,
A film you watch.
character,
A person in a movie.
scene,
One part of a movie.
actor,
A man who performs in a movie.
director.
A person who guides the movie.
Excellent review.
Thank you.
And remember the verbs watch and watched.
Also, see and saw.
Great job, everyone.
If this conversation helped your English, please share it with a friend.
Learning together is always more fun.
We hope you learned something new today.
And we hope you enjoyed our movie discussion.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you, everyone, for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.